In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload folder on GitHub. So you can see currently I log on my account on GitHub. So I need to click on this new or this profile icon, then click on repositories. Now you can click on new, then you need to choose a name. So okay, I choose this name. This is perfect for me. So I again just copy and this paste here. Here is the 350 character allow. So you can choose it visibility public or private as well as you need, which one you like. Just select. I like public. Then add readme. So I recommend you for turn on. Now click on create repository file, then upload file. That's it. So I choose this a code zip file, currently this one. Now click on commit changes. That's it. So you can see this is a processing your file. Okay, this already done. Okay, my work are currently done. So if I want to share this link, just click on code, then you can see this is a https and then copy this link. That's it. So this is a method how I can upload a file on GitHub. If you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel.